Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save Chrome browser extensions as CRX or zip files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is your menu button. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will expand to the side. In this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools and add-ons for your browser. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll need to install a special tool that makes saving extensions possible. In the search bar at the top of the page, type CRX extractor/downloader and press Enter. This extension is specifically designed to help you download and save other Chrome extensions in various file formats, which normally isn't possible through Chrome's default features. From the search results, click on the CRX extractor/downloader extension to open its details page. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to complete the installation. The extension will now be added to your browser and ready to use. With the CRX extractor installed, you can now save any extension you want. Back in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to find whatever extension you'd like to save as a CRX or zip file. This could be any extension that interests you or one you want to back up for later use. Once you've found the extension you want to save, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see your extension icons there. Click on the puzzle piece icon to view all your extensions, then click on CRX extractor/downloader. This activates the tool and allows it to work on the current extension page you're viewing. A small menu will appear giving you two download options. Click either download as zip or download as CRX depending on which file format you prefer. Zip files are more universally compatible and can be extracted easily, while CRX files are Chrome's native extension format and can be installed directly. After you make your selection, a file browser window will appear on your screen. This is your computer's standard save dialog. Navigate to the location where you want to store the file, then click Save to complete the download process. And that's it! You've successfully saved a Chrome extension as a CRX or zip file, which you can now store as a backup or use on other devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.